Okay, students, we're gonna go through 7.4 notes, and actually we're just jumping into the worksheet because it's nothing new. So here's the cheat sheet that you have for naming compounds and writing formulas that we're gonna use. So I'm actually gonna go to your worksheet and we're gonna go a couple on this. So let's work off the formulas first because that's what we have. So we have silicon tetrafluoride, and you first want to decide, is it ionic or covalent? So let's go to the cheat sheet. So we have silicon tetrafluoride. So if you're writing formulas and you want to see if you see prefixes or if you don't see prefixes. Well, I see the prefix tetra, so that means I do see prefixes. So we're going to follow this one. That means that it's covalent. So back here I'm going to write that it's covalent. You could put a C here, so you could have written C as well. And then you want to follow covalent rules, which will be 7.3. This would be either 7.1a, 7.1b, or 7.2 notes. Okay, so write the symbol for the first element. So we had silicon, so that's Si. So that would be Si. Then it says, write the symbol for the second one, and the prefix tells you the subscripts. We do not crisscross. So the other one we had was fluoride. So fluoride is F. And then looking at the prefixes, tetra means 4, and it was tetrafluoride. So we put a 4 with the F. Okay, now we're gonna go and do one of the ones where we name it. We're gonna jump and do PBI2. So we're gonna go up to the naming compounds. PBI2. If Y is a metal, which is the left side of the side, or ammonium, the compound is ionic. If it's a nonmetal, which is the right side, or hydrogen, it's covalent. So we had PB. So if we're looking at PB, apparently my thing stopped, so let me get into it again. So PB is right here. That's to the left of the stair step line. So going back here, that means we have it is ionic. So it is ionic, which is the 7.1a, 7.1b, and 7.2 notes. This one's 7.3. So we want to name the element, and we need to include a Roman numeral if an element has multiple charges, and name the second one. The second one ends in "ide." So going back to the periodic table, lead, PB is lead, and it is in the periodic table. It does have PB and SN are inside the box, so it does need a Roman numeral, and then I believe it was I for iodine. Let's see if my memory was correct. Yep, so PBI2. So it is ionic. It is lead, and it needs Roman numerals, and then iodine will change to iodide. To figure out the Roman numerals, remember you take, so PB is 1x, plus there's 2 iodines. The charge of iodine is a -1, equals 0. So your x will equal 2. So we're going to put Roman numeral 2 in parentheses.